This presentation is on the AI product Kokopelli. Kokopelli is designed to be a broad teacher of any subject matter, meaning it has the breadth and depth needed to teach just about anything. So breadth means that it can cover mathematics like calculus. You could cover something in the social sciences like political science. It can cover history. It can cover writing composition. There is no boundary for what it can teach. It also can teach at different levels. So with, let's say, English composition, it could teach, let's say, a grade schooler, high school, or somebody more advanced. It There are instructions here on how to use Kokopelli. And then this is the link to actual Kokopelli. So the system is here, the instructions are here. Let me show you the instructions. The instructions explain what Kokopelli is. So it covers in a little bit more detail and more structured what I said. It'll tell you how to use the product, so you can read that. But also what's helpful down here is some example prompts. And this is for prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the language of AI. It's how you craft a prompt that'll get you the best answer. And so this one I actually ran through ChatGPT to make certain it's the best it can be from a ChatGPT polished point of view. But this is part of learning with Kokopelli. You should start with prompt engineering if you're not familiar with it. So we're going to switch back here, and I'm going to go ahead and run this. And you'll see that I just copied and pasted from here into here. And it shows you about prompt engineering. And it gives you some examples and whatnot. You could also say, give me some examples of some poorly phrased prompts and some better ones. What you'll oftentimes see here is weaker is shorter. Weaker is shorter. You don't want to just type in, for instance, like you would do in ChatGPT. The reason is this is only going to return one piece of information. And if you're too vague, it may not give you what you're looking for. It may not be comprehensive. You can drive it. And this is why I present these example prompts, to show you how you can drive the answer. Here's a good example where it's for getting specific commands from Google's Cloud's CLI, and it's the same thing here. This is different from ChatGPT because it's not a long-running conversation. It's only going to return the most recent information. It has memory, which you can hook into, but this is not designed to be a back and forth. You want to be able to get the best answer at any one time without having to return to earlier parts of the prompt. So this is Kokopelli.